Ito po yung DTF printer po namin dito sa Tuquegarao na nagamit ng 7 araw na may total meters na 68. Ito ang printer head. Ito naman yung capping. Head clean. Nozzle check. Andito naman yung ink tank. Ang level is tama lang. Ito naman yung waste tank na nalinis nung Thursday. Ito naman yung AVR na may 220 volt. Ito naman yung ground wire. Andito naman yung stock namin ng used ink. Unused ink. Ito naman yung DTF film and DTF powder. Ito naman ang records na nagamit sa cyan, magenta, yellow, black, white, and powder. Ito naman yung daily output and daily checklist. Yun lamang po.